Hey guys, Friendly Foodie here. Today we're making some steak tacos. First thing we're going to do is get our meat in a really hot pan. And then I'm going to put my seasonings in. Now that my meat's browned a little bit, I've got a blend of onions and peppers. I like to get the ones in the freezer section when I'm making something that's going to sit in the oven for a long time. Then I throw in a bit of salsa. And some chicken broth. I don't like to fully cover the meat. Now we're going to put a lid on it and throw it in the oven for about 3 hours. It'll be nice and tender and delicious. For the full recipe, click on the link below.